down tonight, you know I got to go get fitted. Hit the mall to get it, then I stop to get my hair twisted up in ponytails, then sell a bill back to the grain to let my people know, you know what's going down tonight, man, we living. I got the 411 on the bumpin', we riding with them heaters if they bumpin', then we dumpin'. I'm slumpin' in the meantime, my speakers are jumping up out they box. I see these brides choosing, man, they sprung on my Shirley locks. Made the block and they was all up on my bumpers trying to pull me over, but now I guess it nothing when I'm sober. Hit the gas and smoked it up, smashed off a Audi. Bending corners laughing cause I left their car cloudy. Went to my partner house and they was supposed to split Vegas. Bet $5 a game on Madden 95 on Sega. Taking out the room, fools laying on the ground. They better have some get back cause tonight is going down. Sega, now we slamming bones. Up in my hood, it's on. We make a casino up out your home. Head up, I sit some down fast for they stash. Yelling, stand up when you pass. Turn over your bones and give me your cash. I hit the step with the money I want to give me your photo. A-double-O on the scene, I'm an OG on the end for show. I get twisted up in knots, first straight sloppy. Prize readers on my nuts and haters wanna mock me. Can't understand how deep I get when I spit this real on real to real. Straight up out the hills, doing a minute wheel, steel toe, boot stomping out of my head to the whop and get my knees dirty. When I'm stacking them on the dice for Thompson, side betting Lil Joe in the duck, now watch me roll. I let them go and watch that double deuce lock up a show. I talk bad and clown, walking around and ringing my round, snatching my money up off the ground, cause tonight is going down. Jumped in my 7-4, smashing cause I'm tight, y'all. Check to see if the deck was on the passenger seat. I need some heat, the only way on my creek. Late night through these faulty streets. Been the block and seen the whole crew on the counter, smelling that aroma, talking about the bump and coming up on the super fast, something cool. You know how we do it. Touch 'em with some game and fill 'em with some doing fluid. If the show's about 30 players belling in, give me some C and B, some Hennessy and some G. Lemon squeeze, but no chasing, fool, we straight lacing. Jump in the mob and punch it to the buckets, players bracing. We pull up and see you posted outside, yeah, yo. I'm in the zone, ready to take me something home. Water wall, breeders, top notches, maintenance going down. At this bump I found, tonight, fool, is going down.
We got Night Rider in the house. How we do things out here.